In this video, we're going to guide you through all of Alpkit's waterproof jackets. We're going to go through everything from the ultralight gravitas all the way through to the super gnarly, super tough definition. Here's Alpkit's design tech Gabe to run you through the range.
First up, we've got the Argonaut jacket, a technical, multi-activity waterproof jacket ideal for considered outdoor enthusiasts who find themselves in a plethora of different situations. It's got a 10,000mm hydrostatic head.
Hydrostatic head is basically just a measure of how waterproof a fabric is. So the way they measure it is they put a column of water above the fabric and they see how tall that column of water has got to be before the water then starts to go through the fabric. It's measured in millimetres, usually in the thousands of millimetres. Ours range from about 8,000 up to about 35,000. The Argonaut is our sort of like entry-level waterproof jacket at the moment. It's still plenty waterproof enough, and for the price, you're not really going to find like another jacket that is will outmatch it in terms of its hydrostatic head and its MVTR.
Next up is the Gravitas, which is our super lightweight, super breathable 3-layer waterproof jacket for running, riding and any kind of adventure races. The outer fabric's got a 20,000mm hydrostatic head and an MVTR of 30,000.
MVTR is basically just a measure of how breathable a fabric is. So it's measured in grams per square metres per 24 hours. So it is measured in how much moisture can transfer through a fabric over a square metre in a 24-hour period.
So not only are you going to keep the water out, but you're going to avoid that boil in the bag feel as well.
If you are looking to do something really fast, pack size is a big consideration for you, and you're not looking for like loads and loads of protection from like loads and loads of elements, then the Gravitas is the one to go for. Like the Gravitas, it's super lightweight, it packs down really small, it's still plenty waterproof enough, passes all FRA criteria, so you can use it in like fell races and stuff.
Next up's the Balance jacket. Quite simply, the best fabric and the most uncomplicated design to give you the best form and function. The Balance combines low weight with a great cut in an effort to be the ultimate all-round jacket. The Balance is ultra breathable with a 30k MVTR rating. It's also got a 20,000mm hydrostatic head.
If you are just doing some walking out in the hills, you don't really need all the sort of like all singing, all dancing bells and whistles. You want like a nice lightweight waterproof jacket that keeps you dry and it's comfortable and fits well and feels nice and comfortable to wear. So the Balance is really good for like general, everyday, walking in the hills, staying dry when it rains, basically.
Finally, we've got the definition. 12 years in the making for Alpkit, this technical mountaineering shell is designed for the harshest conditions. It's tough, it's durable, it's fully featured, provides you with 20k, 30k hydrostatic head breathability performance.
If you need all the protection in the world, you need like an absolute fortress of a jacket to wear, you want to go for definition. Brilliant for like Scottish mountaineering or like winter mountaineering, anywhere else in the world really. Helmet compatible hood, two-way zips, like they're absolute bomber and super tough, super hardy and yeah, super waterproof.
Also, while I'm here, let me just mention the Squallline jacket, which is our cycling specific shell. Although not fully waterproof because it's got untaped seams, the fabric is really soft, really stretchy, so it's going to be ultra comfortable when you're out on the bike. Something we get asked a lot is why we don't use branded fabrics on any of our waterproof shell. Truth is, when we're designing a product from the ground up, we have some non-negotiable characteristics about what that product's going to be. So whether it's branded or unbranded, the most important thing is that we choose the fabric that is going to provide the best end function for our customer.
So we often get quite a few customers in the shop just trying to decide and asking questions and trying to figure out which waterproof jacket to go for. So the first thing to note really is that all the jackets are waterproof. If we didn't think the jacket was waterproof, we wouldn't be selling it as a waterproof jacket. Generally, we always start at the Balance. We can always go up or down from there. The Balance really gives you like the best of all worlds. If you need something that's going to be more hardy, a little bit warmer, maybe if you're going to go winter mountaineering, then you want to go up to the definition. If you don't want to carry so much weight and you're not going to be using it in such serious conditions, go for the Gravitas. And if you are looking for something on a little bit more of a budget, then go for the Argonaut.